1. It keeps your mind psychologically engaged. Smartphones were designed to make us more productive and our lives easier. They're designed to entertain us and provide information. But when it's time to turn off the lights and go to sleep, the last thing our brain needs is more information and more entertainment. Checking your phone stimulates the brain so we are more active and awake. Even just a quick check can engage your brain and prolong sleep. The smartphone era has forced us to feel like we can never really log off, even when we're sleeping. Your mind can stay active and engaged long after you've scrolled through Instagram or responded to a few work emails. Going to bed and falling asleep should be a peaceful, happy and relaxing experience. Engaging with your phone too close to bedtime can negatively impact those feelings. 2. The blue light from the screen suppresses melatonin. The blue light that your smartphone emits is bad for your vision, but it's bad for your brain too. Research has found a correlation between suppressed levels of melatonin and exposure to blue light. Melatonin is a hormone responsible for controlling your sleep-wake cycle. When your body runs low on it, you can experience insomnia, tiredness during the day and irritability. The blue light from your phone is an artificial color that mimics daylight. This can be great during the day since it can make you feel more alert. But it's just the opposite of what you need at night when you're winding down to hit the hay. Exposure to blue light can affect your internal body clock and throw off your circadian rhythm. This rhythm is in tune to light and dark. It's why you feel more tired at night when the sun starts to set and why you feel more energized in the morning when it's light. Adding your phone's artificial blue light before bed disrupts your body's internal clock and rhythm. 3. The alerting properties delay REM sleep. You probably know what it's like to scroll through Facebook right before bed and see something that makes you upset. Even seeing something right before bed that makes you happy can trigger a response that prolongs falling asleep, which consequently delays REM sleep. These emotions can leave you staring at the ceiling for hours feeling wide awake. Checking your phone right before bed can lead to distracting emotions, thoughts and anxiety. And it's not just the alertness you get from late-night social media sessions either. It's thinking about or feeling your phone going off under your pillow. It's listening for that email chime letting you know a project is moving along. Everything about your phone is supposed to make your life easier and entertain you, but what it's really doing at night before bed is the exact opposite. It's distracting you, keeping you awake, stimulating your brain and delaying REM sleep.
Round 50.